Lowering blood sugar quickly can be important for individuals with diabetes who experience hyperglycemia, high blood sugar levels. Here are 10 tips to help lower blood sugar levels. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps flush excess sugar from the bloodstream through urine. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity and allowing glucose to be used for energy. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Monitor carbohydrate intake. Limiting carbohydrate intake, especially simple sugars and refined carbohydrates, can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Focus on consuming complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Include plenty of fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds in your diet. Choose low glycemic index foods. Low glycemic index foods are digested more slowly and cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Focus on consuming foods with a low glycemic index, such as legumes, non-starchy vegetables, and whole grains. Monitor portion sizes. Eating smaller, balanced meals and snacks throughout the day can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid overeating. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can affect blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to help regulate blood sugar levels. Manage stress. Stress can cause blood sugar levels to rise. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature to help manage stress levels. Consider medications. If diet and lifestyle changes alone are not enough to lower blood sugar levels, your healthcare provider may prescribe medications such as insulin or oral hypoglycemic agents to help manage blood sugar levels. Seek medical advice. If you experience consistently high blood sugar levels or have difficulty managing your blood sugar levels, it's essential to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized recommendations and help you develop a plan to manage your blood sugar effectively. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, exercise routine, or medication regimen, especially if you have diabetes or other medical conditions. Subscribe for more watching.